The day is finally here. We are on our way to the airport, and I have the light is too much. I have an entourage taking me to the airport. My whole family is here. My sisters, my brother, they are all here. So we are heading to the airport, and I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 cars taking me to the airport.
myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Hi guys, so we are now at the airport. This is my nephew. Say hi, Baba.
Hi.
Yeah, so our flight is for 4:35 and right now it's minutes to 2 p.m. so we still have like 2 hours to go. So yeah, I think we are good. Yeah, we are going to Canada.
Canada.
Hi guys, we are here. We are wrapping the bags. So this is the guy who is helping us. His name is Ronald. Yeah, so he's the one who is helping us wrap the bags. So we are in Terminal 1B, and my sister over here has come to help us. So she doesn't like being on camera. So yeah, this is the situation right here. So we have this. I'll get in with this. Like these are my hand luggage, and this one we are going to check it in. So we have weighed them first, and then yeah, that's the passport control, and the other side is where we are going to check in. But actually I've already checked in online. Yeah. Okay, so now our bags are all wrapped up. I have this hand luggage and this one over here, and my family is out here. I'll miss them so much. So now next we are going to check in. We are boarding at gate 7, so that's where we are going. We are flying Emirates today, 5 hours to Dubai. We'll have a layover of 3 hours and then 13 hours, 30 minutes to Canada. So it will be a total of like 23 hours, 30 minutes. Hi guys, we have finally boarded. We've been given this kit. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah, this is the kit we've been given. even it's an infant kit. Another interesting thing happened. So they asked me if they could take a picture of me, and I said yes. And yeah, this is me with my baby. Yeah. I wish you a very happy journey. Thank you. Yeah. This is the souvenir I get from flying with them. This is the first meal they've given us. I've chosen rice and chicken. There is water. Yes. I think this is some chocolate cake and whatever this is. And for some crackers. Yes, you want to eat? We've arrived at Dubai. We've just passed security up there. So right now we are going to be looking for a gate, but we don't know our gate yet. So we are going to look at the boards to see where our connecting gate is. I see there is a board over there. So let's go and see where our gate is.
Where are they?
It's currently 10:24 Dubai time and our flight is at 2 a.m. So we are going to Montreal. So they say that they will tell us our gates at 10:30. That is in like 3 minutes, but it's at sea, like gate C, and we are at sea. So we are lucky we won't have to go to another terminal. For now, I'll just wait. I see where our gate will be, because we still have time, because right now is, let's say, 10:30. We still have 4 hours. So they have just confirmed our gate. Our gate is C12, and C12 is just over here, like just where we've gotten down from the security check. This is awesome, because we won't have to go to another terminal. The Dubai airport is so big, so like moving from one terminal to the other, you can take up to 20, 30, 40 minutes. So it's a good thing that we are on the same terminal as where our plane will be. So for now, let's explore the airport.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
This is the toilet in the Dubai airport. This is where you change they are calling it a family room. So this is where you change your baby. There is a chair for the person changing. There is a sink, a mirror, and this is where you throw the trash. There is like the tissue after you wash your hands. There is a baby toilet over here, adult toilet. And yeah, that's basically it. And another mirror over here. Dubai being so developed, they have very good facilities for everybody, for the children, for the adults. Hi guys, we are now in Dubai. And our first flight from Nairobi to Dubai was 5 hours. Actually it was 4 hours because they had said it will be 5 hours 5 minutes. It ended up being like 4 hours 35 minutes. So yeah, we were supposed to be here for about 3 hours 30 minutes. Now we'll be here for 4 hours. So yeah, and our trip from the journey from Dubai to Montreal, it will be 13 hours 30 minutes. That one is going to be a long one. We will sleep, wake up. Anyway, we are here. My baby is fine. She's doing okay. She's not disturbing. Like she's just the best. She's sleeping, she's eating, she's watching. Yeah, so far so good. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying this vlog. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So they have opened the gate, so we are going inside and then we wait for the boarding time. We've just landed in Montreal and I have not been able to vlog our trip from Dubai to here because our flight was very full. It was so crowded and we were also very tired. In the coming video, I will let you know the immigration process, how it went, the questions they asked me and everything. So stay tuned for that, and we are finally in Canada.
Canada.
Hi guys, we are finally in Montreal and we have been told welcome to Canada. Oh my god, finally we are here. So right now we are waiting for our luggage and then we go meet my husband.